Welcome to English and Spanish. Compliments of the season. Felicitaciones por estos tiempos de Navidad. En esta video vamos a aprender cómo saludar la gente en diferentes momentos del día. In this video, we are going to learn how to greet people at different times of the day. In the morning, por la mañana, we say good morning. Good morning. Buenos días. Buenos días. Sometimes in Spain, people say muy buenas. Or they just say buenas. Hola. Hola is hello. Hola is hi. Hola is hey. It is informal and it is formal. This is the most common way in which people greet each other here in Spain. You would hear it anywhere you go to. Hola, hola, hola. Spanish people don't pronounce the H, so they don't say hola. They say hola, hola. Midday, at midday, a mediodía. In English, we say midday, we say at midday, we say at noon, or we'd say at 12 o'clock. Afternoon, tarde. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. At night. At night. Por la noche. We say good night. Good night. Buenas noches. But also, this is something that is also a little bit confusing for some people. In Spain, people will say buenas noches when they're about to go to sleep, to bed. And also, they will say buenas noches in the evening, like really late in the evening. So you will hear buenas noches sometimes late in the evening, or buenas noches when you're going to sleep. Dawn. Dawn. Dawn is madrugada. Evening. Evening. Buenas tardes. This is a little bit confusing. In Spanish, they use the same words for afternoon and evening. So they say buenas tardes even in the evening. Or sometimes you will hear people say muy tarde, means very late or very late in the evening. So this is how we greet people in English. Good morning, buenos días. Good day, which is at midday, we say good day, good day. Good afternoon, buenas tardes. Good evening, buenas tardes. Good night, buenas noches. And also good evening, buenas noches. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any value, if you've had any value from this video, please thumbs up. Click the thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions you want me to answer, or you have any doubts, just leave a comment.